Hey, my name is Tyrone Sims with Green Owl Systems. Are you running Facebook ads for your home service business but struggling to get quality leads? Do you find that most leads don't remember signing up or they expect free services and aren't ready to buy? If so, you're not alone. Many different home service businesses go through this, whether it's roofing, HVAC, cleaning, landscaping. They all face similar issues when it comes to Facebook ads. But what I'm going to show you in this video, why your ads may be failing and different ways to get them up to par. Stay tuned. Yeah, so some of the top two reasons a lot of Facebook ads fail is because one, you get a lot of people signing up that don't even realize they signed up. And the number two is getting low quality leads. So let's talk about the first one for a second. So what I mean when I say people don't know they're signing up. So take this for example. This is a typical Facebook lead. So the objective being ran is Facebook leads. Now the one good thing about Facebook, it's gonna give you whatever you ask it for. So if you ask for leads, it's gonna give you leads. Facebook can't tell the difference between high quality, low quality leads. You have to teach it that. So what happens in this first example is a lot of people that's searching your ads, probably older people. And what happens is Facebook has made it so easy to submit a form. People do it by accident. A lot. So being that it happens by accident, you always have to add in an extra layer. You should never just do full name, email, phone number. A lot of marketing companies do that. Like if you ever wonder why, like the first month you get a lot of leads, then it kind of starts to trickle down. This is part of it. So the second thing is getting a lot of low quality leads and price shoppers. So usually what happens with this, the reason you get a lot of price shoppers and stuff, a lot of people, they market something free or like free estimates or just bait and switch type ads. So if you have an ad that's running free estimates, so let's look right here on the ad library, see what we got. So if you have someone running free estimates, what's going to happen is you're going to get a lot of price shoppers and not people valuing your time. Like they're just going to click on your leads, and what's going to happen is once you start to get so many of those leads, Facebook is going to start to feed you that. So if your targeting is set where you're getting a lot of low quality leads, if you get 30 low quality leads, it's going to take that 30 and build the algorithm off that and continue to give you low quality leads. That was one of the things you don't want to happen. So that's why a lot of times people are like, well, I'm getting leads, but they're all low quality. You have to add in the extra steps. All right, let's get into how to fix it. So the way I fix it is adding qualification questions. So basically you have way more than phone number and email. I'm going to take you through this survey. So this is how you get higher quality leads. This is one of our wood floor consultations. So say for a home, it's going to ask which service. So another thing too, so you can't, okay, let me back up. So the correct way to run a lead ad is to a landing page, to a survey or form. That way you add in the extra steps, the lead will be interested, because you're not going to go this far with the extra steps if you're not interested in the service. So that's one way. So it's going to say you want hardwood cleaning. So it goes to this. Like I say, you have to answer extra questions. So that's one of the top ways to get their higher quality leads. And then what happens is, so once you start to get your survey or form submissions, you send that data back to Facebook through Conversion API, and that'll help with getting higher quality leads. Just like I was saying with the 30 bad leads, once you get so many high quality leads, the algorithm will match it and start to send you those type people. So example is like, let's say you start to notice your clients like golf. So golf would be one of the things you would target in your ad setup. That way it would cut down on a lot of the low quality and more direct targeting. So price may go up just a little, but you'll always have a higher quality lead. So just remember, let's go over to the Conversion API so to show you what I mean. So this is a workflow setup off survey submission from this one right here. So once they submit the survey, it goes down and assigns user. It goes to the Conversion API. It's going to send this information back to Facebook saying this is a quality lead. So with keeping things on Facebook and running just the Facebook Insta form, you're not getting this extra step. This will go through the iOS updates, all that. So you get this information, it sends it back to data. And also too, over time, your cost per click will get a lot lower too, because you're feeding it good data. It's not just random. Just remember, if you're having these issues with your ads, all you have to do is run an ad to a landing page with qualifying questions on your form or survey. Next, make sure Facebook is getting all the good leads from using Conversion API, and also exclude all the bad leads. You can use a lookalike audience for that. So if you want to improve your Facebook ad campaigns and start generating better leads for your home service business, I can help you. A couple of things we offer is a free Facebook ad audit to identify issues and opportunities. We do a done-for-you lead generation service tailored to your business needs, one-on-one consulting to help you optimize your marketing strategy. So if you need to get in contact with me, just reach out through YouTube. You'll see my links in the section in YouTube. And just remember, subscribe.